In front of me is Motorola G75, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on a perfect keyboard for you, manage key borders and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, tap on the color palette again. Select this plus under My Themes and click on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!